everyone, welcome. I am continuing my winter holiday themed videos with another tutorial on how to make a custom holiday tray. If you find the video to be too fast, just click on the instructional video for directions on how to slow it down. Links to all the products I am using are in the description. Let's get started. I'm using a clear General Finishes glaze with mica added to the glaze to stain the tray. Continue adding mica to the glaze until the hue that you are trying to achieve is met. Once the glaze is ready, use a paintbrush to apply the glaze to the entire tray. Don't worry about the top rim edges. Later in the video, we'll be using an oil-based pen around the upper edges of the tray. Once you've finished staining the tray, allow it to dry per the manufacturer's instructions. Now that the tray is dry, we'll use an oil-based gilding pen around the upper rim and the handles of the tray to elevate the look. One step that I did not record is that I traced the tray on the wallpaper to get an initial size and shape to work with. Once it's cut to the right size, remove part of the backing of the wallpaper and using a squeegee, adhere the wallpaper to the tray. Go back and forth over the wallpaper to ensure you get rid of any bubbles. Once you have finished applying the wallpaper, if there is any spot that needs to be corrected, just use a craft knife to go ahead and cut off any of the excess. Now mix about 6 ounces of resin and pour that over the entire surface of the tray. Spray it lightly with some isopropyl alcohol to remove bubbles and allow it to cure per the manufacturer's instructions. The tray is now complete and ready to display or give to another this holiday season. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and press the bell to be alerted to future videos I post.